What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to book in online with British Airways, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So yes, of course, there is a check-in option online with British Airways, and it is a really simple process, and I'm gonna guide you through all of these problems. So you just need to type in British Airways online check-in, and of course you can check it online with British Airways going through manage my bookings and enter your British Airways booking reference and last name into the online checking section and just select start check-in. And as you can see, when you type in British Airways online checking, the first link which says British Airways / online check-in, you just press on it, and as you can see, you can check in now using your booking reference, which basically is a reference of serial six letters and numbers used by the airline to uniquely identify your booking. So British Airways references do not contain the numbers 1 or 0. So basically make sure to check that out, and of course you need to enter the last name of the passenger. If the passenger is you just enter your last name which you used for buying a ticket or booking it online. So guys, quite an easy process. And basically that's the entirety of it. So we've done a variety of British Airways tutorials, so make sure to check them out if you're having any issues using this platform. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.